Day 13, getting started on breakfast. I have about 5 minutes until 9 o'clock. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at what the trades look like now though, see where we're at. Personal account is doing fine. Still not really doing much of anything because I'm hedged between stuff and I need things to move. So my margin's sort of locked up in that. Lesson learned, as soon as I can get out of this and get into a good process, then I'll get better at it. But let's go see what the competition looks like. All right, so we'll take a look at SPX 500 to begin with. Looks like we came really close to take profit, and then it slowly started to come away. So if this candle closes, well, no, I guess I've got to wait in it for a little while. I would be taking a buy in the next, 2 minutes or so if this candle closes, but it looks like I'm hoping that the next buy is going to go ahead and close us out, and then we'll have something by 1 o'clock. DE30 hit stop loss. Looks like I'll be taking a buy here though. Actually, let's go ahead and get it set up. Let's go ahead and just do it. We're far enough away that we know we're going to take. There's no question about it. So, let's get back in there. Come in here really close. Let's move you up there, and then create limit order. 3 market buy. All right, we are in that one. What's the next one? JP225 is very much near stop loss. So, don't know on that one. Let's play that one by ear. Silver still going. Closely near stop loss as well. Well, no, break even, sorry. Oh, that was gold. This one's silver. Silver hovering nowhere. West Coast oil also in. Hopefully we'll continue down. And then natural gas will be the last one. So there we go. We are currently in all these trades. This one, oh my goodness, just been going sideways for a while. Haven't really been taking any trades on this one. But yeah, that's where we sit. The account sits at 253,000 with floating P&L of 350 and should have, 7 trades going? So there we go. We'll see how 1 o'clock rolls around. So I was running a little late. It is, I don't know, 1:36, and so I wasn't able to get into any trades, but we're gonna look at what already has closed out. SPX 500 closed out finally, and I would be taking a buy after this, but it's already started to move away from me, so I'm gonna leave it alone. We'll see what, I don't know, well, probably not 5 o'clock, because that's when spreads widen and everything like that, although maybe they don't widen on, I don't care. I'm not gonna do it at 5 because it's just modus, but I might come back at 9 and see what things are going. So that one closed out. DE30 is actually still going. We'll see where that one ends up. JP225 still going as well. We dipped down near the stop loss area, and now we're seem to be coming back up, so we'll see where that goes. Gold is still going, and silver is actually the one that closed out, and a take profit there. West Texas oil is the next one that also just plummeted, turned over, and we ended up with a profit there. And the natural gas has finally done its turnaround point. Hopefully we'll continue going up to finally close this one out. I think this has been the longest one. Everything else has been relatively quick, and I could get in and get out and get another trade going. This one has just been forever. So that is where we're at right now, currently sitting at 254,000 for the account balance, 4 trades open. I don't see anything happening until 9 o'clock tonight, so I'm pretty sure that this will be it for the evening time. What are we at? Is this day 13? Day 13, if I remember correctly. But, let's see how everything goes. We're going to continue going. I got plenty more. We're only, halfway through August? No, we're on the 19th of August. So, got this week and next week for the August challenge, but like I said, I'll probably continue this going through August, September, October, because I want to see if, it stands true. The first 90 days, 90% of traders lose 90% of their capital. So if this can make it for 90 days without me blowing the account, just keeping it dirt simple for the single candle color prior, it dictates your next one. That right there would be better than whatever people are doing. Just a basis, just to start with. So hopefully we'll see how everything goes, and we will continue going on from there. You guys be blessed. I'll talk to you later.